Odinga has been laid to rest, and may so now continue resting in peace. The Wolu or the Jaluo of Kenya in Nyanza has already joined our ancestors. Something has happened during the morning period, the burial period. That is a Acholi traditional Bwola dance was performed. The first one was performed at the burial site with technical selection of the songs. You know, with Bwola dance, the songs are not chosen just for fun. It is chosen according to the event. A side event may lead to the choice of sad songs. Happy events may lead to choice of happy songs or prideful songs, depending on whatever. But it is only performed to very important people. Check at the burial. One of the songs which touched my heart is the one that I can pick some verse from it, that you know that song. I think that was the ultimate folklore tribute to the fallen hero, Raila Odinga. An emotional one. I think many people from the Luo side, the Jaluo of Kenya, they hardly understand our Acholi, but if they could understand this, or someone is to translate for them, I think tears were going to run down that very moment. Well, the same Bwola dance was also played at a primary school in Bondo, a place where Raila Odinga hails from, and most of the pupils at that primary school stood with their smartphones. They were wondering, actually, they were excited to see Acholi with the ostrich feather performing Bwola dance in love for the fallen brother Raila Odinga.
Northern Uganda. Yes, and this is our traditional dance. It's called the Royal Dance.
Well, it did not just stop with Bwola dance. The Bwola team went together with Dr. Dr. Olara, who is one of the greatest Acholi diplomat. Raila Odinga's brother was the first to speak and also introduced Olara, and he called that moment specifically a special moment.
We are here for a special occasion. We are receiving a delegation from Uganda, Central Luo, Northern Uganda, and this is specifically the Acholi community. They have brought the dancers who only dance for heroes. They don't, when they are escorting their heroes, that is the only occasion where they come and do the rituals and do the singing, and they also so they are led here by our brother, our friend, Professor Olara Otunnu, who has been very close to the late my brother Raila, and he has been here twice. Last year, he was here for the other year, 2 years ago. He was here for the anniversary of Jaramogi celebration, which was done in Kisumu, and he gave a long lecture on the culture. And he again came on the Penyluo forum, which happened here in the Siaya, and again he gave a very long lecture on our culture and our behavior. And he was here with
Dr. Olara gave his speech. As usual, you know, he doesn't miss to be powerful. So he gave his speech and he made it clear that the Acholi people, the Luo of Uganda, are strongly in solidarity with the Luo of Kenya during this difficult moment. And that's no doubt. You saw everywhere on social media, the Gen Zs from Acholi were not happy, and they expressed also their condolences, especially on WhatsApp and TikTok, for the loss of Raila Odinga. Check out what Olara said.
We have come from Uganda. Specifically, we have come representing the Central Luo from Northern Uganda, from Bulu. We have come as a delegation to honor and celebrate the incredible life of our father, our brother, our leader, Raila Amolo Odinga. We have come with the Bwola dancers. those you see with the white feathers. This is a special art form among the Central Luo. They are made to celebrate the contribution and life of our heroes. Only the heroes. They receive them, they escort them, they say farewell to them as they go to join our ancestors. And because the Prime Minister, Raila, was our great hero and leader, we thought it fitting that the Bwola dancers should come and honor him, pay respect and celebrate his life. This is only done for Joey, for Tuan, for Oteka. It's not for anybody. And Raila is our Oteka, our Joey, our Tuan. We have come to say farewell to him, to celebrate his life, and to follow the example he has set. So thank you so much, Honorable Dr. Oburu, the head of this family, the older brother of Honorable Raila, for receiving us in Jaramogi's compound, the family compound. We are honored and we remain one in solidarity at this moment of great loss as well as celebration. Thank you and may God bless this family, the family of Jaramogi. Come on.
Go well, Baba.